So today I'm at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. Looking for this chair that I saw a couple weeks ago. It was a really cute chair, but I didn't get it because, I don't know, I didn't really have anywhere to put it, but I really liked it. So I came back to see if it was here. My husband definitely said it wasn't going to be here anymore because it was such a nice chair. It's only $5. So I'm here to see if it's still here. And also just to see what they have because I love coming here. If you have never been to the Habitat for Humanity Restore, or if you have one in your city, you need to go. They have a lot of really nice stuff like lighting, doors. They have furniture and like desks and stuff like that. Sometimes they have appliances. Really nice stuff. And usually it's really decently priced. I just like to come here because I like to thrift and I like vintage. So I just like to come here and see what they have. Sometimes I leave with stuff, sometimes I don't. But yeah, let's see what they have today. You did where? I have been thinking about like restoring an old headboard. This would be, that would be a nice one. It's $25. This one's $25. It would be nice to restore. This one probably wouldn't hold paint as well because of the type of wood it is, but it's still really nice. It's closed off today. Usually you can go back here and there's like homes, like repair stuff, like tools and stuff like that. They always have really nice like armoires and bookshelves and this kind of stuff. Here, dressers. I like that. That's nice. Uh-oh. Here's the shelves. Inside this box right here. I like this. I've been looking for something like this for sure too. Sheesh. $75. This is a bench. Okay, that's nice. I like that. I thought it was a table, but I think it's a bench. Oh, no, it's a table. This is nice. I like this table. I like this table a lot, actually. I don't think it comes with any chairs, or there's any chairs to go with it, but that's super nice. Kind of like this table too. Can't really see it, but Oh, you can see this one. It's the same. It's a round table. This one is $10. The damn china on the table is more than the table. This china is $60. Where's it at? Come on, Gimbal. There it is. $60 for this china. This table is $95. It's nice too. The chairs are $16. The chairs are cute. That's a cute table. That's a cute little like breakfast nook table. I like that. This china is $100. $100. Sorry. This table is $250. It has chairs. The chairs come with the table, it looks like. Everything comes together. Table with 4 chairs for $250. And like my tea stuff comes from, a lot of it comes from here. I get a lot of my glasses and anything that's glass. Well, not all of it, but a lot of it comes from here. I might have bought them all out of tea stuff because I don't see really anything. Ah, look here. How cute. Pretty. It's $12 a set. This is my husband's favorite section. He always comes over here looking for random electronics to bring home. Usually like vintage or like, you know, old electronics like the record players and tape players and stuff that we have at our house. This is nice. This is very nice. Have a ton of books. We get a lot of records from here, and we got like the whole Sex and the City series here on DVD, the whole thing, and like multiple movies, DVDs, Blu-rays, even cassette tapes, CDs. They have a lot of stuff. I want to get that as well. If I could.
This one right here?
Yes, ma'am. The organizer.
Okay. What is your first name again?
Kendra.
That's my pen and my other.
That's okay. These are the 2 items that I ended up getting from the Habitat Restore. I got this chair. This is what I originally went for. I wanted to get this chair. I saw it a couple weeks ago when I was there, and I really didn't have any space for it, but I just got rid of some stuff, so I had somewhere to put it. It does have this stain, like looks like it might have been bleached or something like that on accident. I don't know, but it's can easily be covered with like a pillow or something, like a throw or something like that. But I thought this design was really pretty, and I've been thinking about it since I saw it, and I was like, yeah, I have to go back. I went back. Even though my husband said it was going to be gone, I went back and I got it. And then this, actually I've been needing something like this for a really long time. Organizer for my different beauty products and hair products. And I don't know how much this would have been like brand new. I saw one at Walmart for like $58. But I paid $15 for this one. So, and I probably would have never bought the one from Walmart anyway, otherwise I would already have one. But